In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Proton VPN on your TV. We'll be using a Fire Stick TV as our example. Before we start, if you're looking for the fastest and most reliable VPN with better security and more features, check out NordVPN. Link is in the description. Now, let's begin the installation process. The first step is to install Proton VPN from the Amazon store. On your Fire Stick, go to the Find option and then select the search bar. Here, type in Proton VPN and wait for the results. You'll see the Proton VPN app appear under Apps and Games. Click on it. Next, click on the Get button to download the app. Wait a few seconds while the app is installed. Once it's done, before opening the app, press the Home button on your Fire Stick remote and move the Proton VPN app to the front. To do this, go to the Applications icon on the far right corner. Find Proton VPN. Press the Options button on your remote and select Move to Front. This way, it will appear first in your apps list. Once the app is ready, open it and click on Sign In or Sign Up with Proton VPN. Note that you can only complete the sign-in process using your mobile device or a computer by visiting the Proton VPN link provided on screen. After opening the link, enter the code shown on your TV. If you don't have a Proton VPN account yet, select Create Account. The free version does not require any payment. Scroll down, enter your email address, click Sign Up for Free, and then select Continue with Free VPN. Finally, click on Start using Proton VPN. Set a password or use the one suggested by the app, then click Continue. Now that your account is set up, return to the Proton VPN sign-in page on your mobile or computer and log in with your credentials. Enter the code displayed on your Fire Stick and press Verify Code. Once verified, the Proton VPN interface will appear on your TV. You'll see clearly which servers are free and which are premium. To get started, select a free server, for example, the US server, and press Connect. Once connected, your IP address will change, and your internet traffic will be encrypted. To make sure the connection is working, you can check your IP address using the Silk browser and go to a site like whatismyip.com. If the IP matches the one provided by Proton VPN, your VPN is working correctly. While Proton VPN's free plan is a good option for faster speeds, more servers, better reliability, and advanced security features, NordVPN is the better choice. You can find a link to try NordVPN at a great price in the description below. And that's it. Your Fire Stick TV is now connected to Proton VPN. Enjoy safe and private streaming on your TV. And don't forget to check out NordVPN for the fastest and most secure experience anywhere.